Welcome. If you've blocked someone on WhatsApp web and now want to unblock them using your PC, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest steps to unblock a contact on WhatsApp web. It's fast and easy, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. If you're not logged in yet, simply scan the QR code with your phone's WhatsApp app, or log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats right there on your screen. Now, look at the left-hand side of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon, and a menu will pop up with various options. Next, click on Privacy. This will open the privacy settings for your WhatsApp web account, where you can manage who can contact you and other privacy-related features. Scroll down until you see the section called Blocked Contacts. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the people you've blocked on WhatsApp web. Now find the contact or phone number that you want to unblock. Once you find the person, click on their name or number to open their details. Finally, you'll see an option to unblock this person. Click on Unblock, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about unblocking them. Once you confirm, they'll be unblocked, and you'll be able to send and receive messages from them again. Don't worry, WhatsApp web won't notify them that you've unblocked them, so the process remains private. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on WhatsApp web using your PC. It's a quick process that allows you to regain communication with anyone you've previously blocked. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on WhatsApp.